All right. Okay. Here we are at lessons, or I should say puzzle 7. I'm doing it again. And it looks very similar to the last puzzle. I like to definitely think about what did I do last puzzle and take a look right at the game space. First thing. Okay? Because I'm seeing that the game space looks similar, but just a little different. It looks like we're going down, we're picking all the corn. We're going to take a right again. We go all the way to the end, and there's just 7 corn at the end. And that's the first thing I do at this point, right? I like to just check and see what has changed from last puzzle. Once I see that, I go back to work through all the steps again. 11 blocks this time. Same thing. 1 for corn, 1 for pumpkin. And I read the directions.
Collect all of the corn and all of the pumpkins.
It's the same exact directions as last time. So all that's changed is the course, but there's some similarities there. So now I know I got an extra block. You see, I'm just thinking through my processes right now, right? I'm in a good space. Okay, let's do it. Like I know right away, I'm going to move forward and get those corns. And let's repeat what I did last puzzle. There's no need to reinvent the wheel here, guys. Unless you see something very different, go ahead and do what you did last time. Boom. We know it. So after that, let me run it again. Ooh, let's turn, move forward, turn again, right? And then I need to get all the way to the end. I think I want to kind of count it, though. Let's run it. Make sure this all works. Notice I run a lot. I run my program. I'm checking it out. Now I know where she is. I'm not going to reset. I'm going to count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to move forward 4 times. I think I'm going to try this. Move forward, right? And I'm going to go how many times? 4. Reset and run it. I'm going to have to get that pumpkin. Actually, what if I just did move forward 5 times, right? I want to do 5 because I want to land on the pumpkin. Why not land on the pumpkin? Makes no sense. Come on, Mr. C, get it together. There we go. That's okay. So sometimes you need to make a little mistake like I did. See that live and make the change. Now I know to get those 7. All right. 7, right? Because I'm on top of the pumpkin. Repeat block. And look, I'm 11-11. I'm in a good spot. I think this will work. Boom. All right. There you go. There's the key to lesson puzzle 7. Just keep in mind, like, notice what I did. I'm looking at this game piece. I'm using the skills I built in part 6. All right, part 6. I knew I just need to go down and get those corn. You could even go back and look at your last puzzle. If you're saying, hey, I remember a piece of that code. It was back in the last one. You could come back and look. In this whole first piece right there, that was what I used to begin lesson 7. So go back and look at what you did and use that code as a starting point if it makes sense like it did here, okay? Let's see what happens in the next part.